This is Francis from Easel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to lock shapes in Easel. And essentially what this does is it allows us to place an object on our screen and then lock it in place so that nothing about it can be changed. And then as we're moving other things around or doing different things in our design, we don't have to worry about kind of shifting that or it getting out of place or changing it when we're trying to change something else. And so to do that, I'm just going to add two squares to my design. I'm going to select one, maybe make it a little bit bigger. And then there's, in the shape and cut menu that appears when we have an object selected, if we scroll down, there's one option right here that says lock object. If I click on that, I can select the object, but I can't click and drag it. I can't adjust the size. If I try to adjust the size here, there's nothing I can do. And then if I have this object on the inside and I'm like, oh no, what am I going to do? I can grab it, move it around. It's not going to affect my other object in any way, shape, or form. So I don't have to worry about, accidentally selecting one or both of them. And this just allows for a little more freedom if you're kind of placing things and trying to decide where things go and you're like, well, I want to keep this here. You can lock that object, not change anything about it, and then move through and adjust everything else without having to worry about that component being misplaced or misaligned. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.